Also, coming from an army home, doing a film like Border is something else. What was your family's reaction? Like, how did your dad react to it?
I remember they were very emotional.
Okay.
They also couldn't believe it. For the longest time when I told them, they were like, अच्छा सच में अच्छा हो गया मतलब सिलेक्ट हो गया फाइनल हो गया वैसे हाँ हाँ मतलब ऐसे ही बताया कि फाइनल हुआ है and then I think उनको भी इतने अच्छे से hit नहीं हुआ until I went to the
Hmm.
set
Okay.
until I sent them a selfie. I was like, guys, see, I'm dressed in my character. I'm going for my first shot. So I think उनको भी बहुत gradual process थी, but finally उनको भी realize तभी हुआ जब उन्होंने film देखी as a whole, and I was a part of it. But जब उन्होंने film देखी, तब I think
What was the reaction in the sort of film?
so happy, so emotional and so happy. They couldn't believe it.
Absolutely. And Medha, this is your first film also. When your first film has such a stellar star cast, it comes with a set of pressure.
Absolutely.
वो nervousness वो कैसा था and how did you manage to go around with that?
How did I manage to go around with that is something that I just probably figured out on set. I
Okay.
realized very early on, जैसे ही मुझे पहली बार script मिली थी कि it's going to be a lot of responsibility. It's
Right.
not an easy character. We're representing real life heroes.
Mhm.
We're trying to tell a very important story.
Absolutely.
It comes with a lot of responsibility. So I think that realization happened very early on. So I knew that I had to do this very seriously and to the best of my ability. So that prep was happening. But just visualizing and imagining, oh my God, my name is going to be amongst these legends. I'm going to be one of them. Yes, I'm the least experienced actor on this set as compared to all four of them, and of course the female cast also. That was very intimidating. I was like, oh my God, will I even be able to match up to, what I'm supposed to in this story with the character? And then I realized that thinking about all these things and feeling anxious about the end result,
Right.
how it's going to be, is futile. I should focus on the prep and just like do what I can do best.
True.
But then I've been focused on that and somehow it translated.
And then, the camaraderie with Varun, how did that come about?
That come about, I think it just very naturally came about. Even when I met him for the first time, we'd met on a look test a few months before the shoot. And then the shoot happened. Um, shoot के पहले दिन पे I think we spoke and I was obviously very nervous because I was like, oh my God, I have to do scenes with Karun Thaman. How will I do it? But I think he just made it so easy because he's so chill. He's so normal. He can make you laugh instantly. You can talk to him about anything on Spanner. He can just make you feel okay with whatever emotion it is that you're going through. Like I was very scared, nervous, and anxious, and he really helped me break out of that. And he was like, this is your first. Your first is never going to come back. You should enjoy this process and leave the stress aside. And I was like, you know what? You're right. I should enjoy myself. So then I was like, okay, I'm just going to be here present, do what I have to do, and enjoy this.
Amazing. Last week I was talking to Paramir Chima, and he told me that, on their off days, they used to play cricket.
They used to play so much cricket. हमारे off days पे भी.
अब आप लोग क्या करते थे on your off days?
तो मेरे scenes तो सिर्फ अर्मी के साथ ही थे. So I was there on set only when our scenes were being filmed. So amongst the actors, it was just the two of us. Crew the obviously पूरा था. But every day they used to play cricket and I used to watch. I was like, also, but I don't know how to play cricket. So I used to watch. I used to sit with the team and just watch and cheer.
Amazing. Also, a very interesting thing that Paramir also told me was that when he was offered the film, one of the biggest doubts he had was कि इतने बड़े star cast में मैं कहीं waste ना हो जाऊं. Having, this is also your first film, a big screen project. वो ऐसा कोई thought या डर आपको भी था कि that I should not get wasted or I should not be ऐसा नहीं हो कि I don't get seen because your character has actually stood out in the film. People are individually noticing your character and talking about it.
Now, this is something I didn't expect. I had
Yes.
no idea that this could be the possible impact, that my performance could have, like, stand out on its own in, such the legacy of a film and in such like legendary performances independently. So it's all come as a surprise to me also. But your first question, I I don't think I had that fear ki what if I'm not important or what if I'm not seen enough. I don't think that fear was there. My only fear was honestly that मेरा जो भी है जितना भी है मुझे ये इतने अच्छे से करना है कि it makes sense in the story. I must to watch it. It doesn't feel like who is she, where did she come from, she doesn't even fit the part. I was like, I don't want to hear this. I want people to be like, okay, she is the character, she is the right person to be cast for this.